Hello girls and guys, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to RoboThoughts Zero to Hero series, lesson number 35, Python coding on Jetson Nano. Alright, in this lesson we are going to see check if not string. Okay, so in the previous video I showed you a method called using in. Right, it's a simple method to check a specific character or a word within a string. Right now, in this method, today's lesson, in this particular lesson, I am going to show if not, I mean if a particular word or a character is not present in that particular string. So in order to check if a certain phrase or a character is not present in a string, we can use a keyword called not in, N-O-T space in, not in. Okay, let me show you an example. I have logged into my Jetson Nano already and I am into my terminal. So let's create a new file, nano check not string dot py, check not string dot py. You can name it whatever you want, guys. Right now, let's give an example in a text. Okay, txt equal to, with a double quote, let's put some string, any string, say the best thing in life, sorry, the best thing in no, I think this in will not work. The best thing in life are free. I'm just throwing some random examples. Okay, well, and then let's print, open the bracket and then a double quote. Let's say what you do not want to find in this particular string, right? Not in that string. So we are going to use a not in, keyword. Let's say the best thing in life are free. Well, the expensive double quote. So I'm trying to find this particular word expensive, not in, okay, in text. Can you see the color changes as soon as you put this particular keyword not in, the color will change, right? So this is an inbuilt function in Python. All right, now let me save it. Control O, enter, Control X. All right, now let me execute Python 3 check not string dot py, true. See, can you see the output is true because there is no word called expensive in that particular string, right? And if you put a particular word which is already there, so it will say false. Why? Because it's already there, right? So you are using a not in as a keyword. I hope you got this, guys. It's a pretty easy thing. Keep practicing, keep following my videos one by one at a time, and I'm sure in a couple of months you are going to reach somewhere else. You are going to become an expert in Python programming, in robotics, in IoT, in artificial intelligence, and you are going to be the king of kingmaker. Thanks for watching me, guys, and do leave a comment and like and subscribe. Thank you. See you soon. Bye bye.